So Jessica is going to demonstrate a very simple self-healing that you can do in a chair, in your car if you have a few minutes in your busy day, or certainly lying down on a bed or on a massage table. But no massage table is needed. You can also just do this in a comfy chair. So she's going to start by bringing her hands to a prayer position in front of her chest and just closing her eyes and breathing and relaxing. And she's going to call forth her inner healer. She's going to ask that this be guided by her higher self and divine love and wisdom, so that she receives what's best for her in this moment. And you can add any additional affirmation or prayer that you would like. But the focus here is to come into that space of healing and affirming that you're going to be doing this for yourself and that it's for the highest good. And just make sure before you begin that you're just breathing and relaxed. So this doesn't take a lot of effort. It's more about allowing than trying. And now she's going to bring her hands up to her face and head for the first position, just finding a comfortable place to place her hands. And you can make this as simple or as involved as you would like. A great visualization is to just imagine white light coming into your crown, the top of your head, going through your body into your arms and hands, and into the part of your body that you're working on. So a visualization with white light, or violet light, or another healing color is one option, but do what's comfortable for you. There aren't a lot of strict rules and regulations here. Whatever is relaxing for you, whatever puts you into a healing state. And once you get that energy going, just breathe and relax. It can be helpful to breathe slowly and deeply. And we're just going to do several hand positions. So this is going to just be a brief 10 to 15 minute energy balance and tune-up. So we're going to stay in this position for another minute or so, just to allow the energy to do its thing. If you wanted, you could also imagine breathing light in and out of the place that your hands are touching your body. So you could imagine breathing light in and out of your forehead. Or if you wanted to do a focus on the chakra that you're working with at the moment, this is over the third eye chakra, which is usually seen as a deep blue or indigo. So you could imagine that color, or white light, or violet light. Or you can simply relax and breathe and allow the energy to flow. You can also use a healing word like love, or healing, or peace, or wisdom. Whatever feels right to you. All right, and let's gently move to the next position. So Jessica's going to move her hands to somewhere on her chest or heart position. And as you can see, she's breathing gently. And again, when we move to a new position, it can be helpful to get the energy going in that area, imagining light flowing from your hands into the part of your body that you're touching. And then once you set that healing intention, Once again, you can just relax and allow yourself to drift and float. Or you can repeat a healing word or phrase like peace or love or healing or relax. If you want to work with the colors of the chakras, the heart is usually seen as green or pink. So if those feel like healing colors to you, you can imagine those colors here in your heart center. So doing whatever helps bring you into that space of healing and relaxation. So I'm simply presenting you with different options, and I encourage you to try different ones and see what resonates with you. And again, remembering that this is more a process of allowing than trying. We don't need to try too hard. We set our intention clearly and gently, and then we allow ourselves to simply relax and breathe and receive. And we're going to stay in this position for another minute or so. And Jessica's going to move to the final position somewhere on her abdomen. Wonderful. And you can see in this position, she decided to put one hand above the other, which is a nice way to use the hands, because then you're getting more than just one spot on the abdomen. You may feel warmth or movement with this. As you breathe and relax, again, if you'd like, you can see that universal healing light, white light, coming down through your crown, into your body, through your arms and hands, and then into the part of your body that you're touching. So we're combining the healing energy of the universe and the healing energy in your own heart and hands. Can also be helpful to imagine relaxing down, down, down into the earth so that we're grounded. You can imagine breathing that healing earth energy up from the earth into your body. And that too can flow through your body, through your arms and hands, and into the part of your body that you're working on. So we can combine the healing energy of the earth, the healing energy of the universe, and the healing energy in your own heart and hands. Simply breathing, relaxing, and allowing. Breathing, relaxing, and allowing. So this is a very simple routine with just 3 hand positions for a 10 to 15 minute relaxation, tune-up, self-healing. And of course, you could spend more time and place your hands on more areas of your body, or certainly any areas that are experiencing any pain or discomfort. But this is a wonderful thing to do to keep your energy flowing well. So you don't need to wait until you have pain or discomfort in an area, but certainly if you do, you can also place your hands on that area of the body. And again, this can be done lying down on a bed or a massage table. It can also be done sitting in a chair. Or you can simply put the seat back in your car if you have 10 to 15 minutes during your busy day where you get a chance to relax. So in closing, Jessica's going to bring her hands back to prayer position, being grateful for herself, and for the energy of the earth and the universe, for this beautiful self-healing session. And that completes this demonstration. Thank you, Jessica.